Hello, guys. So, another very important thing when it comes to the cleanliness of our environment, we also therefore focus on the cleanliness of we homestead, especially for people who get bathroom inside their houses. You can, if you know that kind of person where, let us say, throughout the night, you just wet na your bathroom, you not get time for scrub your bathroom on a daily basis, you not get time for keep your bathroom clean. You get for no say that they self they affect you home. And also you get certain people where they take dustbin where they write inside the house, and they allow dirty there for they sleep inside that dustbin overnight. Or you don't eat, now that you pan them they, you fail for wasam, you dey allow them pan them they for the overnight then dirty one. Most of the remnants then the way we can left, now that we pan them they, now that we dustbin them they, now from the most of them demons then can eat from. So if you're not a person who care about your spiritual life, if you're not a person who care about success and progress in your life, these are things where you get for the pay close attention to, very close attention to. You don't need for the allow dirty for sleep inside your house. You don't need for the allow. Another make you can find out say one of the easiest places where people can get harmed now from them toilets there, from them bathrooms them, which is why in Islam, before you even enter now the bathroom, you get a particular supplication, a particular dua, where then they ask you for make. Where of course that dua they seek protection from God, from the evil where they inside that particular bathroom where they enter. Which is why they also advise that you not find for the inside the toilet and you they talk. Because they attract them by genes their attention towards you. We're going to end up for harm you at the end of the day. So the bad genes, the demons, then leg side with dirty. So which is why you no need for turn inside your host to dirty box. You no need for it, you allow leftovers in your place. If there is a food where you're not able for it at that moment, cover them, put on your fridge. So when you keep your home decent, you keep your home hygienic, you attract good angels them. We go do with you that hosting. You open doors of success for yourself. But when we allow dirty for the inside we host, then trust me, it attract bad demons them. And when them bad demons then come at your home, they can put bad luck by you. They can block you away, they can destroy people and stars and other hosting. Then they also cause confusion among families. So when you keep your home clean, you don't help for protect your family. You don't help for protect their success. So let me keep your homes them clean, guys. Thank you.